And action. Alright, YouTube sent us this clapperboard, and this is our first video to have it with us, so as part of their YouTube partner perks. But we are on Star of the Seas. It's Royal Caribbean's newest ship, and it's the world's largest cruise ship. So we've already been to Windjammer, of course. We've kind of been exploring. It's a lot to take in. They just now opened up all the rooms, and we've kind of already done an initial reaction and wanted to do a deeper view. So this is 9154, I think. Yeah, 9154. So as soon as you come in, we have this bathroom, massive bathroom. So it's a little step up. Look at all this space. It's a really cool mirror. I just kind of realized that the lights were inside of it. And we have a shower with a bathtub. There you go. You got your soaps, shampoos. We got the toilet, towels, trash, drawers. Yep, that one's fixed. But yeah, this is like the most spacious, the biggest shower I've ever seen on a cruise ship. This is amazing. Some hooks on the back of the door. Lovely mirror. It's a little warm. Here we have, it's a digital, so we can set this thing down, and you can do different lighting on there. You got movie lighting, morning. Let's see if we can do like max lighting for the video. And there's switches that'll do the bathroom lights too. Let's see what we got here. Closet. And we have more closet space. Got the drop downs, put your luggage. We got bathrobes, we got slippers. Let's see what's on this side. Oh, it's safe. And even more closet space. And drawers. It is incredible how much space this room has. Look, we even got a hook up here.
Oh, yeah.
Got like a makeup station with an outlet with USB-A and USB-C. Kind of a flip-top desk makeup area. More outlets. I missed these the first go around, but here's two hidden hooks, which I think are actually really nice.
Stand up and show where they are, then.
There you go. Good idea.
Yeah.
So the hooks are kind of right there. They're kind of hidden under that little jut out of the wall for a table, but got outlets there, you know, hang a swimsuit or whatever you need to. But I thought I'd point that out. We got a phone. We have our own coffee espresso maker. More drawers. Here's your hair dryer. Breakfast menus. Nothing in that one. Mini fridge. There you go. We have this lovely lamp. Word to the wise, we've bumped our heads on it. I've done it twice. I think Kara's done it once. A little button push there. We got Star of the Seas hats and an entertainment program. Back to the Future. The price is right.
That's not open yet. It
No.
opens when we leave.
Look at the bed, king size bed. Got drawers here, and USB-A, USB-C. The other side has outlets on it too,
Oh, yeah. It's really good for
and it's got light switches. Some more drawers, and this couch is a pull-out couch. Lovely artwork. Another outlet with some, looks like AC vents. TV, table chair, a little footstool. Look at the lighting up there. It's a very big room. I am impressed.
It's a junior suite.
It's a junior suite. The bathroom's massive. I mean, if you sit up in bed and get the look out on the balcony, it's pretty awesome. And the balcony is massive too. It really is. I will put that in at the end of this. Yeah, here's our room.
It's really awesome.
It's really awesome. Yeah, this is great. Very excited. Should be an epic adventure. Anything else you want to add?
I think it's awesome.
And you want to like, subscribe, and share.
Oh, I'm so bad at that.
Give a thumbs up, leave a comment, all the good stuff.
Yep. Oh, look. That shit.
Whoa, that's cool. It's the Clean Canaveral. No idea what it does.
I bet we're about to look it up.
That is pretty cool, though. Yeah, that's a cool port. No matter what ship you're sailing out on, it's a lot to see, a lot to do. But yeah, stick around. We'll have more content coming of this brand new ship. See ya.